Alzheimer's impacts half of all Black families. HSC is investing in a new research study to find out why. To join, please visit blackalzbrainstudy.com or call 817-735-2963. It's Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. We're back at it. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Number 1, the Biden administration is struggling to find solutions and answers to the situation at the southern border of the United States. Among the issues are the closings of the border and charges against the administration for a lack of transparency. Sunday, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas announced the closing of the southern border to adults and families, but unaccompanied children would not be turned away. Number 2, any day now, President Biden is expected to nominate his choices for current judicial vacancies. Before selecting former Senator Kamala Harris of California as his running mate, candidate Biden promised to name an African-American woman to the U.S. Supreme Court. Currently, there are no openings on the country's highest court, but Democrats are ready to make good on the promise of diversity when filling judicial vacancies. Many legal scholars point to District Court Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson as the new president's choice to replace Merrick Garland on the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. Number 3, spring break crowds swelled out of control over the weekend, prompting Miami Beach officials to declare a state of emergency Saturday. SWAT teams, military-style vehicles, and pepper spray balls were used to control crowds. An emergency curfew was imposed for the popular South Beach area after spring breakers trashed restaurants, fought in the streets, and congregated without mask or physical distancing. Number 4, Darvin Zimmerman, a white judge, made disturbing comments over a hot mic about Kevin Peterson Jr., a 21-year-old Black man who was fatally shot 34 times in Washington state in 2020. Video of a live stream following Zimmerman's morning docket showed the judge speaking to the district court commissioner in the empty courtroom, referring to Peterson as the black guy they were trying to make an angel out of. The judge added Peterson was dumb and had a death wish. Since that event, Zimmerman has issued an apology through his attorney. Zimmerman's caseload has been reassigned, and he cannot perform any functions in criminal court. Number 5, Moet Hennessy has purchased 50% of Jay-Z's Ace of Spades champagne, a deal that could facilitate cross-pollination into the sports world. Moet Hennessy's newly found interest in sports entertainment has led them to partner with top athletes and artists to plug their brands where the light shines the brightest. This new deal is worth over $600 million, which could result in a cash payout of roughly $300 million, along with a new push into the sports arena. Here's your daily inspiration from Yogi's Jewels. Refreshing your mind and connecting to your heart are great tools to building a happy life. Join me today live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central with Coy Malone, our social activist, and comedians Chris Paul and Huggy Lowdown, as well as NASCAR star Brianna Daniels, as we discuss today's top headlines and more. Thank you to our What You Need to Know partners, Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated and the University of North Texas Health Science Center at Fort Worth. To subscribe to my free daily newsletter, please visit SybilWilkes.com. Be informed, be empowered.